What is up, party people? Welcome to Charleston, South Carolina. Not to be confused with Charlotte, North Carolina. Charleston is the oldest and largest city in South Carolina. And we're here for one night only, playing the beautiful Gaillard Theatre. This theater is actually fairly new. It didn't open its doors until 2015. It seats 1,800 people. It was built in conjunction with a 15,000 square foot exhibition hall, and it cost $142 million. Oh my God. Charleston is a coastal city, so if you find yourself here and you find that you have more time than we did, check out one of the walking or boat tours, or head to Magnolia Plantation and Gardens. They both looked super fun, and I wish we could have done either of those things, but we couldn't. As for the cast of Rock of Ages, we can't do those things because we're only here for 20 hours. We got in at 2 p.m. We have to be at the theater at 4:30. Show go at 7:30. We're done around 10 o'clock, and then we head back to the hotel because we have to be back on the bus at 10 a.m. So we spend most of our time at the theater while we're in Charleston, but fortunately for us, it's a gorgeous space. Next stop, Jacksonville, Florida. Thanks so much for coming out. Chase your dreams and cheers.